Why does your scanner show the P0119 engine code? What does it mean? P0119 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant temperature circuit intermittent. This engine code indicates that this means the engine's computer isn't consistently receiving accurate information about the engine's coolant temperature. Potential causes include a faulty ECT sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective ECT sensor, wiring problems, low coolant level, faulty thermostat, engine overheating. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Chevrolet, GMC, Honda, and Cadillac models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.